Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 3. I said at the very end of I said at the first and the end, it's so much easier to find stuff as a hairline. Like I know where this is, so we can see that there's nodes that aren't connected right here. But let's look at that same item under a hairline. Look at it, it just kind of so much more stands out and so much more easily read or example. I mean, there's like multiple lines there. We actually need to grab it and go to object and ungroup it to get the shape tool to work. But I mean, there's like a line there we can just delete, or can we? I mean, what is it? It's they're just overlapping lines. We could actually take out that line and then take the shape tool and connect these two lines. But it's just so much easier. I'm trying to figure out where that other line was that was broken. It's just so much easier to find mistakes, for me anyway, using the hairline. Like right there. If we put this back to 1.5 or 1.5 and make this one, you can see it, but it's not as visible when you're just kind of looking at it. So if you will make it, hairline when you're working with something, I think you're going to find out it's a lot easier. And it's going to be a lot cleaner, and the nodes are going to be a lot easier to connect. I mean, we need to connect those two nodes. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.